Y'all, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be saying which bike is better, the TST R002 or the Ridstar Q20. My buddy's going to be riding the Ridstar, I'm going to be riding the TST, and we're going to do all sorts of tests like racing and all that good stuff to see which one is the best budget electric moped bike, whatever. Alright, we're going to do a race. We got the TST and then the Ridstar. Alright, 3, 2. Yes, sir. Yeah. I cheated a little. Alright, we're getting up there in speed. 25, 26, 27, 28. We're at top speed now. Gapped them. As you can see, the Ridstar, or the TST, takes the cake in the race. That's kind of funny how I came and counting this off. Alright, we're gonna go do a hill climb test now. The only thing I've done to this bike at all is I switched the throttle from the left to the right. Because I think that's a little more better for an e-bike. But all you have to do is just undo this bolt and then switch it to the other side. It's really easy. But yeah, we're gonna make our way over to this hill and then we're gonna do a hill climb test. Also guys, I am so close to getting monetized, so if you could go ahead and like, subscribe, share this video with some friends, that would be great, because I'm about ready to start making money off of this, you know. Alright, so we're gonna be using the same hill that we used in my Ridstar unboxing video. And we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Alright, 13, 14, 15, 16. We're in the lead. Alright, we passed the line first. So the TST, it goes up a little faster. Which is good if you live in like a hilly area. And now we're gonna see how fast it'll go downhill. I'm gonna do a top speed test downhill. Alright, 3, 2, 1. So it seems to be limited at 28. I don't know if that's like something you can fix or whatever, but you know. And in my last video, I said that the tires don't lock up, or the back tire doesn't lock up. I just had to warm up the brakes, and now the brakes work like really good. I'll show y'all up at this next stop sign. Alright, so I'm gonna do the back brakes first, and then I'm gonna show y'all the front brake. Alright, so back. They're still really not warmed up. Like, you gotta ride for a minute before they'll lock up. But it has really good stopping power. I can tell you all that for sure. And then, after we pass this truck, get up here to the stop sign. I'll show y'all the front brake. See if we can still do stoppies. I know I could last video. Alright. Yep, still can. Next video I'm gonna be putting a ton of upgrades on this bike. And showing y'all the true potential of it. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna be doing an off-roading test. We're gonna drive down this. Through and back up. The suspension is so good. Was that bumpy? Like rattling all over the place? Yeah, so the Ridstar doesn't have the best suspension. The TST, it's like a super smooth ride. It's so smooth, dude. I can't stop talking about how smooth it is. It's crazy. I'm gonna ride around this little dome here. I'm gonna go through the middle. Down, back up. Alright, so as y'all can see, the TST is really good for off-roading. It's very cushy. Like, it's an extremely comfortable ride. I definitely, like, if you're in the market for a bike, I would definitely choose this TST right here. My Ridstar is $2,000. It's a $2,000 build, and this $700 TST is performing better. Also, if you're wanting this bike for wheelies, it's really easy to pop up. I don't really want to wheelie it yet because it still have mechanical brakes and they're not swapped. But all you have to do is just sit on the back and then hit the throttle and pull up like barely, and you'll go up a lot. On the Ridstar, I have to like drive it up, like pull a lot, like just to get it up a little bit. And that was about as high as I go using that force that I just showed y'all without even using the throttle. So the mix of this high torque motor and short wheelbase makes it insanely easy to pop up. And it's like, I don't even know like what to say. It's just like really good for a wheelie bike, like a budget wheelie bike. Like, I don't really want a wheelie right now, so I'm just kind of showing how easy it pops up. So yeah, I just locked up the back tire there. It just had to get warmed up a little bit. But yeah, this is definitely a really good budget wheelie bike. Alright, so as we all know, the Ridstar stock, it looks really ugly. And the Ridstar is recalled. The recall is the majority of the reason that, you know, I'm like I would choose this bike over that one now. But also because it's so comfortable and all that. And also, I forgot to be using my mic. It's been off this whole time, so I really hope the quality isn't that bad. But it's on now. Hopefully it's better. But yeah, I think that the Ridstar, it's a better looking bike once you mod it. And it has more mod options, but it also comes with that risk of like fire and explosions and stuff. That's why I always recommend parking and charging your bikes outside, like under a shed or in a shed or something. It's way safer, because hopefully your house won't catch on fire or anything, and it'll just be like a shed, which is way better for money and your own safety. But yeah, this bike is like actually insane for the price. So is the Ridstar, but I mean, all those factors I just told you kind of bring down its little like chart of coolness. And the TST isn't the best looking bike stock either. I think it looks pretty cool though. It's like it's not like a clean bike. Like, it's not like a clean built bike like I had the Ridstar, but it's a nice bike. I think it looks pretty cool. And it rides very comfortably, like I said. And next video, stay tuned. Like I already said, I'm gonna be putting a ton of mods on this bike. It'll look kind of like my Ridstar, but it'll be like way comfier and way better. But yeah, I definitely think that y'all should go pick up this bike. And I'm not like a biased person. When I say that this bike is like a really good bike for your money, I really do mean it. Because I, like, my parents, they won't let me get like a bike that has pegs or anything. So I went to like these bikes that have pedals, like the street legal bikes. And they're way better because, I mean, you won't have any attention from the cops or anything. But yeah, I mean, so I'm saying like, 'cause I keep losing my train of thought. It's really early in the morning. But bro, I just did it again. This bike is $700 with my discount code, which is in the description, along with the link to buy this bike. Yeah, this is actually like an insanely good bike, and I really do think that you should go pick one up because, I like to be really honest about my reviews and stuff and all that, because like I didn't always have the money to buy these bikes. Like when I bought my bike, I like barely had enough money. Like when I bought my Ridstar. So, and I know how it feels to not have enough money to buy like a really nice bike. So I try and do sponsors with these companies that are street legal and stuff, and cheaper bikes, cheap but also good quality, so that you can have a choice, or so that you can have an option to get a nice bike for cheaper. And I really do think that y'all should go pick up this bike. Like, I absolutely love this bike. I've actually been riding this way more than my Ridstar. Like, I prefer riding this over my Ridstar. I did my unboxing video Monday, and today's Thursday, so maybe like 4 days ago, I think. And I already have 71 miles on it. So yeah, I didn't ride my Ridstar at all yesterday, and this bike has like pretty good range. We've gone almost 6 miles, and we only lost 1 bar. But yeah, I can't say it enough. Like, I really do think that this bike is the best bang for your buck at this time. So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and send this to some friends so I can get monetized. I really think y'all should go get this bike. You can pick it up. The link's in the description. It's about $700 with discount code Mr. Cricks. Save you some money. But yeah, this bike, I really love it. I definitely think you'll love it too. And yeah, with that, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.